Micrometer Screw Gauge Negative Zero Error Example 3. My dear viewers and listeners, today I am going to start a new lesson on Micrometer Screw Gauge with Negative Zero Error Example 3. I have made 3 visual diagrams of negative zero error under this topic. This is the third one in Micrometer Screw Gauge. You will learn how to get rid of this negative zero error in the measurement. This topic is related to any physics curriculum up to GCE A-Level, AP or FSc. My syllabi references are IGCSE, GCE O and A-Level Physics. It is taken from Chapter 1 Measurement. What is zero error? Look at the diagrams. Both scale graduations are starting with 0 mark. When this micrometer is fully closed with no object between its jaws, then the two 0 marks do not coincide with each other at the datum line. This is known as zero error. Nature of zero error. We have two types of zero error. First one is positive zero error. Second one is negative zero error. Correction of zero error. If this micrometer with zero error is used for any measurement of length, then measured value is not true. This error is eliminated to get a true value. Negative zero error diagram 3. Micrometer is fully closed with no object between its jaws. Zero of the vernier on the thimble does not coincide with the zero of the main scale, but it moves up the datum line. Zero of the vernier has moved into the negative scale region of the main scale. Some other division is coinciding with the datum line. Therefore, this micrometer has negative zero error. Negative zero error and coinciding vernier division VD. When micrometer is fully closed with no object between its jaws, then zero of the main scale is not visible but it is hidden under the thimble divisions. Zero of the vernier has moved into the negative region of the main scale. You are counting the coinciding division with reference to zero of the vernier. In this diagram, the coinciding division is equal to 3. You will write it as -3 because you are counting downward towards the datum line, or this micrometer diagram has negative zero error. Vernier division of negative zero error is written with negative sign as VD equal to -3. Now you will learn a process to find the magnitude of this error. Magnitude of negative zero error. Look at the diagram. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 0.0 mm. Vernier division VD is equal to -3. Least count LC is equal to 0.01 mm. Vernier reading VR is equal to VD times LC. Substituting the values, vernier reading VR is equal to -3 times 0.01 mm equal to -0.03 mm. Total reading TR is equal to 0.0 mm plus within bracket -0.03 mm. Final value of total reading or zero error is equal to negative 0.03 mm. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates. Explanation of negative zero error. Since zero error is equal to -0.03 mm, therefore all measurements taken with this faulty micrometer with negative zero error will be lesser by 0.03 mm. Elimination of negative zero error. Use the following formula. True value is equal to obtained reading minus within brackets zero error. Calculated zero error is equal to -0.03 mm. Obtained reading is equal to question mark. Now you will observe a reading from a faulty micrometer with negative zero error in diagram 3 as obtained reading. Micrometer reading with negative zero error in diagram 3. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 6.5 mm. Vernier division VD is equal to 40. Least count LC is equal to 0.01 mm. Vernier reading VR is equal to VD times LC. Vernier reading VR is equal to 40 times 0.01 mm. Final value of vernier reading VR is equal to 0.40 millimeter. Total reading TR of diagram 3. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 6.5 mm. Vernier reading calculated is equal to 0.40 mm. Total reading TR is equal to MSR plus VR. Substituting the values, total reading TR is equal to 6.5 mm plus 0.40 mm. Total reading TR is equal to 6.90 mm. This reading is with negative 0 error. Measurement with 0 error. You have measured length as obtained reading from this faulty instrument as given in diagram 3. Obtained reading is equal to 6.90 mm. Similarly, you have measured negative 0 error of this faulty instrument when its jaws are fully closed. The 0 error measured is equal to negative 0.03 mm. Elimination of 0 error. Use the following formula. True value is equal to obtained reading minus within bracket 0 error. Substituting the values in the formula, true value is equal to 6.90 mm minus within bracket minus 0.03 mm. True value is equal to 6.90 mm plus 0.03 mm is equal to 6.93 millimeter. True value is equal to 6.93 millimeter. Time observation and calculation. My dear learners, you will go through a new topic, time observation and calculation, for new learning experience. Therefore, please go to video list GCE O-level or FSc. Then look for the topic time observation and calculation. Thank you for listening my video lesson. You can request a physics video on a topic of your need in your comment section. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates.